In 1998, I saw a TV program on a West Coast special. I saw a whole heap of oyster baskets out there that were fabricated. I thought that we could do something better. So I got a team together and different investors, and SEPA was born. Well, I started with one machine and that grew to 4 machines. We've now got 12 moulding machines, and we probably employ off and on around about 35 people, including the representatives globally.
We pride ourselves on providing our customers with the tools to grow the best oysters in the world, and that's something that we remain committed to as much today as we did when we started the business 20 years ago. SEPA got into exporting early in the life of our business, and it was a way for us to expand our markets beyond what we had in Australia. Exports have really helped us facilitate some significant growth in our business in recent years. In the last 5 years, we've had a shift where we used to export 20% of our product, and we now are exporting approximately 80% of our product to 21 markets around the world. I think as a result, we now develop better products, we've got better systems within our business, and I think overall we have a stronger business as a result of exporting. We've certainly received a lot of assistance from Austrade over our export journey. And that's ranged from making business contacts, to understanding the business environment, all the way through to helping facilitate missions into market. One of the key things that we've learnt and that we've now implemented into our export strategy is the fact that we can't treat any two markets or any two customers the same. The market for high quality, high value oysters around the world continues to grow. And it's great to see that our products have allowed farmers, both here in Australia and all around the world, to produce this high value oyster on a consistent basis, which has then opened up export opportunities for them all over the world. Being involved in the Export Awards has been really valuable to us as a business. Going through the application process helped us to reflect on what we've done and really appreciate some of the successes that we've had as a business. There's no doubt that there are some real tangible benefits for us of being a winner of the Export Award.
We've had customers here in Australia congratulating us and also overseas, and it does create a bit of interest, and I mean, having that Export Award national winner logo on our emails, it gives us a lot more credibility.
And I think it's really good validation for our team that we're on the right path, and that while there are challenges on a day-to-day basis, that we're having some real success and that that's being noticed outside of our business.